we're at the very top of the fire escape. Railings are not secured to the structure. Definitely recommend securing to structure. Although it is secure for now, it does have some give on this edge. Door looks operational, has the lights. AC is protruding past the shutters. Definitely recommend adjusting or removing the AC to give clear access to the walkways. Bulb guard for the light fixture is missing. Recommend replacing that. No one can get at the wires if their hands accidentally go up there. Second AC protruding, barely narrows this side down. Walking down, everything looks good. The guard railings on the second story. Guard railings on second stories are secure. However, I do recommend sealing around the penetrations in the pavers, prevent moisture and pest entry, help prevent premature deterioration. Want to secure this loose wire here, even though it's out of the way. Want to seal that, all those penetrations all along the way. Right here, all this. Right there we have a wash trying to get into that hole. Definitely needs sealing. All along the way. Even sealing this gap here to prevent deterioration of that. Railing itself are all stable and secure. Walking across leads you to the other fire escape, above to the exit. C1 fire escape is ready for a load test, with minor repairs being done for maintenance and to prevent premature deterioration and damage.
Failed with minor repairs. Repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load tests still may be required by the AHJ.